Okay, guys, happy Easter if you're getting this over Easter. Just thought I'd try put a video together, um, or I'm gonna start putting a few videos together and put them on YouTube, and then put the link on our sites just so that you guys can have a bit of help at home, and it might be a bit of fun. So I'm gonna run through some of the questions we had in the post assessment before we broke up for Easter. So here we go. Okay, so the first one, we're looking for the area. Well, actually, it asked for the perimeter. So I'm just going to call it perim. It asks for the perimeter of this shape. And some people forgot that the perimeter is a straight line around the shape. Some people forgot that there was another two sides. So they did 2 plus 5, which gave them 7. But they forgot that there was another 2 here and another 5 here. So the answer really was double that. Or 2 plus 5, 7 plus 2 is 9, plus 2 again is 14. And it's not centimeters squared because it's a straight line all the way around. Okay, the area of a rectangle is how many is the space inside. This is all the space here. Okay, so we know that this one is going to be 2 squares high, and it's going to be 5 squares long. So 2 rows of 5 basically. 2 rows of 5 is 2 times 5 equals 10 centimeters squared. Square because they're squares. Okay. This shape over here is a little bit trickier. Okay, so the perimeter, we just need to add them up the whole way around. So I did it quickly. 5 and 2, or 3 and 2 is 5, and another 3 and 2 is 5. So that's 10. 10 and the 6 is 16, and 16 and 4 is 20 centimeters, not squared, because it's the perimeter. It's the whole way around from one side all the way around and back. Okay, so it's 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 gave us 20. I should show my work as well. So okay, the area of this shape is a little bit trickier. Okay, we have to split it up into rectangles. So some people went this way and split it across here. Other people split it across here, and some people did both. There's no need to do both. Okay, there's no need to do both because then you've just got 3 rectangles. We've got enough here to do 2. So we'll look for this area first. So it's 2 high by 3 wide. This 2 by 3 gives us 6 centimeters squared. And this one, well, we can't tell how wide it is from here, but if you look at the top, it's 3 wide, 4 high. So that's 3 by 4 gives us 12 centimeters squared. So then we just add this one and this one. 12 plus 6 equals 18 centimeters squared. Okay. Right. Now I know we didn't do a lot on the parallelogram, but some of you got it right, some of you didn't. Basically, it's just multiply these two numbers. But I just want to explain why that is. Is that if we break it up like we did before, remember we cut up our parallelogram and we moved the pieces around. If I was to put this piece all the way over here, okay, then it's gone from there, and now I've got this rectangle. And I know from the measurements that it's 3 high and 7 wide. So the area of this rectangle would be 3 by 7 equals 21 centimeters squared. So that's the same as the parallelogram. So we didn't need to move anything because as long as you know the height and the width across the bottom, you just multiply them together and it gives you the area. So some people, you don't measure along this line, okay, because that line won't help us. Okay, so then it got a little bit harder and I asked you to find the area of the triangle, and I even said if two congruent triangles makes a parallelogram, what's the area of this triangle? So this is triangle A and B, they're the same, just flipped one around and we made a parallelogram. The area of this parallelogram is given the same way we got this one, 3 by 4. It's 3 high, it's 4 wide. And if you wanted to, you could move this over here to show that it's a rectangle. Okay, 3 by 4. That's the area of the parallelogram. The area of the triangle is half that. Half of 12 equals 6 centimeters squared. Okay? It's half the area of the parallelogram that would be there. Okay, this one here is the same as this one, but you have to use a little bit of thinking to figure out what these spaces are. So if you look at this, the whole thing, the height, if it was a house, it's 6 high, but we've got to take away this bit here, and that's 3 take away 1, so this is going to be 1. We take that away, this must be 5. 5 and 1 is the same as 6. In here, okay, well, it's 8 all the way across. You know, this is 4, this is 3, and this, if we added those 3 and 4 and this up, it should make 8. 3 and 4 is 7, 7 and 1 makes 8. Okay, so there's a few different ways to break this one up. The easiest way, I think, was this one. Oh, and that's 3, and this has to be 3. 3 and 3 is the same as 6. Okay, the area of this is 1 times 3, that's 3 meters squared. 4 times 5, 20 meters squared. And this one is 3 times 6, which is 18 meters squared. We add them up, 20 and 18 is 38, and 3. We'll just do it this way. 3, 18, 20. 41 meters squared. Okay, I'm going to stop it there, and I might put up a second video about the other things. So if there is another video up, have a look at it. Thank you.